Let's jump right into beauty queen secrets that will keep your hair from falling flat. And if you learned something in this episode, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notifications bell. It's not your hair, it's your haircut. I come across this problem all the time with my coaching clients. They run to me and they say, my hair doesn't curl. Yes, it does. You just don't have layers. If you want to achieve voluminous hair or beautiful blowouts, you're gonna first have to head to your stylist and get some layers cut into your hair so that your hair can support all of that volume and all of that bounce. Whether you have thick hair or thin hair, layers are going to be necessary if you don't want your hair to fall flat. Healthy hair is not always stage-ready hair. Sorry to tell ya. Of course, we all want healthy hair that's glossy and shiny. But the truth is that a lot of the beautiful voluminous hairstyles that you see on pageant queens comes from hair that has been color treated, which is more porous, and hair that is slightly damaged. Extremely healthy hair is very slippery, and so it doesn't hold styles quite as well. If your hair is very healthy and too slippery to hold a style, you can use texturizing spray or a root powder. One of the most popular root powders that pageant girls use is the Big Sexy Hair Volumizing Powder. They apply this at the base of their hair when they're teasing it. Now, if you're in the category where your hair is color treated or it's a little bit too damaged and it's looking very dry, then you're going to rely on glosses, regular hair masks, and lightweight serums. These types of products will give your hair a healthy and shiny look when you do style them. As somebody whose hair has been damaged, these are a few of my favorite products that I use weekly. And I also really like the L'Oreal Anti-Frizz Serum. That's been extremely helpful in making my hair look shinier whenever I style it. If you're trying to screenshot all these products, don't worry, I've already linked them all in the description for you. Shopping them via the links also helps to support the channel. Dirty hair is not always better for styling. While this tip works for some, it may not work for all. If you're like me and you have a very oily scalp, this tends to cause buildup at the root and it drags your hair down, preventing voluminous hairstyles. That's why if you're preparing for a big day, don't wait until the last minute. You need to practice your ideal hairstyle on different wash days. Now, speaking of dirty hair, I was surprised in one of my recent episodes that so many of you do not know the eyelash glue hack. If you want your layers to stay in place for your hair, all you have to do is take a little bit of eyelash glue in a shade that is close to your hair color. Since I have darker hair, I use the Duo Lash Glue in the darker shade. You can also try the clear shade if you're a blonde. You're going to apply the tiniest amount. You're going to set your hair where you'd like it to stay, and then you're going to apply that eyelash glue between the piece of hair that you are styling and then the rest of your hair. So you're going to sandwich that product in between the pieces of hair, press down a little bit, and then your hair will stay. Please let me know in the comments what tips are helping you so far. I would love to hear from you. Preparation is where pageant hair lasts. I mentioned glosses, masks, and lightweight serums, but we also have to talk about how to prepare our hair for humidity. A product like Color Wow's Dream Coat is essential if you want to guard your hair against frizz in humidity. Recently, L'Oreal came out with a great dupe for this product if you are looking for this at a lower price point. If you plan to be inside and don't need humidity protection, then you can skip this step and move right on to heat protectant. This is still necessary. When applying heat protectant, make sure that you are coating both sides of your hair thoroughly because we are going to be applying heat to get a great curl. The set is more important than the curl. This is the secret that pageant girls know. Sure, you can have the best products and tools, but at the end of the day, the way that you set your hair is going to determine how voluminous it is. Now, we have to address different types of volumes that you might want to achieve. If you're trying to achieve a blowout look, then you can rely on a larger barrel curling iron or a blow dry brush. If you want more volume and tighter curls, then you will need a 1-inch barrel curling iron. You truly don't need an expensive curling iron to achieve volume and beautiful curls. For years, I have been using Hot Tools curling irons, and they are at a very affordable price point. But if you can afford something a little bit more expensive, I do recommend T3's line of ceramic curling irons. And the reason for this is because the ceramic curling iron barrel is very, very slick, and your hair glides across it a little bit more smoothly than your hair glides on a Hot Tools curling iron. And this is really important if you want shiny, sleek, soft curls, and also if you want to minimize damage. If you're going for an everyday, not over the top blowout look, I would recommend using the T3 blow dry brush. You can rough dry your hair and then section each piece to curl it individually. And then to get that extra volume around your face, you will want to curl a piece forward, and then you're going to secure it with either a Velcro roller and an alligator clip, or you can also do this with just the alligator clip alone. One step up from this would be to add more Velcro rollers or more curled sections that you clip off with the alligator clips to get even more volume on top and towards the crown of your head. If your goal is to achieve a very curled and very voluminous look, then I do suggest using that 1-inch barrel curling iron. Make sure that when you're using this method that you start your curl from the center of your hair. This is going to help the curl hold more and then also minimize damage on your ends, which are already more damaged. Again, you can either use a Velcro roller with an alligator clip, or you can use the alligator clip alone. Worst case scenario, you can also secure your pin curl with a bobby pin. Your curl size determines your volume. A larger barrel equals a blowout style. A 1-inch barrel equals volume plus longevity. If you want your hair to last all night, I suggest styling your hair before your makeup. That way your hair has time to set and those curls can fully cool. Direction and technique changes everything. After your curls have cooled, you have a few options. You can gently brush through your hair with your fingertips, and you can shake them out, spray your hair, and you're good to go. If you really want to make sure that you set that volume, go ahead and use a small teasing brush at the root of your hair. You can add in that root powder, or you can simply spray a little bit of a firm hold hairspray on this. I really love Paul Mitchell's Extra Body Finishing Spray. Another technique you can use after releasing your curls is simply by gently brushing them out with a wide tooth comb or a bristled paddle brush. Make sure to do this gently so that all of our work wasn't for nothing. If for some reason your hair comes out a little bit bigger than you wanted it to, then go ahead and take a spray bottle with water, spray it very gently 2 to 3 times, brush that portion through, and then hit it with some hairspray. Another pro tip is to always part your hair on your best side. I like to part my hair on the right side. So what that means is when I style my hair with a blow dry brush, that I will direct it from the left side. Essentially, I'm using the blow dry brush to create a left side part so that when I'm ready to style my hair, I will flip it back over towards my right side and get instant volume. This technique works beautifully for an everyday hairstyle that you don't want to have to tease. There you have it. Those are 7 beauty queen secrets to keep your hair from going flat. Don't forget to shop all the products in this episode linked in the description. And if you enjoyed the episode, please subscribe.